Padukone is the biggest name. And because her chat surfaced, what about other actors? The visual there on your screen. Younger actor Sara Ali Khan. The next focus will be on her as well. Actor Sara Ali Khan was in Goa as well. She was with her family. She has left for Mumbai. The visuals are there on your screen. 2 days before her date with the Narcotics Bureau. Sara Ali Khan was seen at the Goa airport leaving for Mumbai, and that the woman alongside with her is her mother and also actor Amrita Singh. They will be responding to the summons of the Narcotics Bureau. That has to happen on Saturday. Apart from Sara Ali Khan, there's actor Shraddha Kapoor. She's also received summons on Saturday for questioning. The officials visiting Sara and Shraddha's Mumbai residence already last evening to deliver the summons. Sara's name surfaced how? It was because, according to the Bureau, when statements were taken by Rhea Chakrabarti, the names cropped up. She was also named by Pavna Boatman, who had taken these actors for some of the parties, and he has also given these names as well. That means there is now a cross-verification and confirmation of these names coming up. And their visit apparently was 3 to 4 times to Sushant Singh's farmhouse. Now, while Shraddha Kapoor's name came under the lens with her chats with celebrity talent manager Jaya Saha, in the drug chats of another actor Shraddha Kapoor, there was a reference to the CBD oil from Jaya Saha. The actor has also been named by Pavna Boatperson again, like Sara Ali Khan. So there have been 2 different variations that have come for their names, and perhaps likely the reason that their names have cropped up as well. But first listen in to what Rhea Chakrabarti had said on Sara Ali Khan's alleged drug link.
It's unfortunate कि किसी के गुजर जाने के बाद हमें उनकी वाइसेस को ऐसे एक्सप्लॉइट करना होता है, पर अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. यस, सुशांत यूज्ड टू स्मोक मैरिजुआना, और हाँ, वो काफी रेगुलरली पीते थे. मुझसे मिलने से पहले से पीते थे. इनफैक्ट केदारनाथ की शूटिंग या उससे जरा सा पहले से उन्होंने शुरू किया था ये. और मैं इनफैक्ट उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी. सिर्फ इसी डिपार्टमेंट में मैं उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी. मैं कट डाउन करने की कोशिश करती थी. लेकिन ही वॉज अ मैन ऑफ हिज ओन चॉइसेस. ही वॉज अ ग्रोन मैन हु चोज व्हाट ही वांटेड टू डू.
So let's go across to Mumbai airport because Pankaj Upadhyay is tracking all the latest, and we are also joined by our colleagues from the Goa airport, also outside the Narcotics Bureau. But first to you, Pankaj, because we do have the visuals of her leaving from Goa airport. Unlike Deepika, that's a verification that we have. What time likely should she be reaching? And what I want to understand is that that her presence has to be on Saturday. So she's arriving well in advance.
Yes, of course. Now that summons have been issued, if any actor, just like Rakul Preet, were to show any delay, then it reflects very poorly on the actors as well, and it is going to send a very wrong signal. I'm sure by this time all these actors who've been named and summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, they would have already consulted their legal team as well, and they would have been better advised that they should not delay in the process as well, and they should reach Mumbai and in front of the Narcotics Control Bureau on the designated day and time as well. And that is the precise reason why Sara Ali Khan, showing haste, is reaching Mumbai now, even though she has to appear a day after. Interestingly, last night itself, the NCB senior officials have said that as far as Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor are concerned, they will be questioned both by the Delhi team, that is the Delhi SI team that had come down to Mumbai to inquire and investigate about the Sushant case, the drug link case in his death, and of course the Mumbai Bureau as well. So you'll have Mr. Malhotra of the Delhi Narcotics Control Bureau and Mr. Sameer Wankhede, the zonal head of Mumbai Narcotics Control as well, who would be questioning both Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor as well. So their statements, their questioning is also going to be very, very critical. Interestingly, now as the NCP officials, Pooja, are saying, they are going in a very systematic fashion. So Jaya Saha, the talent manager from Kwan, has already been questioned. Her statement has already been taken down. Questions on various quarters about role of Karishma Prakash as well, her colleague and a fellow working in Kwan, who is very close and managing Deepika Padukone as well. The statements have been taken. Now when Deepika Padukone is questioned, if it so turns out that there are contradictions in the statement that are given by Ms. Saha, Deepika Padukone and Karishma, then there is going to be trouble
Pankaj,
for
stay
Deepika
on with
Padukone
me.
as well.
Stay on
We've
with
been
me
told that she's
because with
already
this visual of
consulted-
Sara Ali Khan that's come from Goa, I want to go to Divyesh. Divyesh is outside the Narcotics Bureau. Divyesh, the difference between Deepika and Sara Ali Khan's drug chat emerging is what? Is it a similar chat? Asking for any form of drug? Is it anything specific? How is it different? Tell us about Sara Ali Khan.
Remember, Pooja, Sara Ali Khan's name also came in the testimony of Riya Chakrabarti, while the statement recorded of the boatman working at
Yes.
Sushant Singh Rajput's Pavna farmhouse has also revealed names of Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. He, in his statement, has said that on different occasions, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor visited the farmhouse and consumed drugs at the parties hosted by Sushant Singh Rajput. So this, along with the WhatsApp chats, is the evidence that the Narcotics Control Bureau has with them. Armed with this evidence, they are going to grill Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor. Other than Rakul Preet Singh and Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor are to be questioned by NCB's Mumbai team in the case 16/20, in the same case in which Riya Chakrabarti, Shovik Chakrabarti and others have been arrested. So there are two different cases, two different probes by the same agency. One probe is by the Narcotics Control Bureau's Delhi SIT, where Deepika
This is
Padukone
big.
and
Divyesh,
Rakul
stay
Preet
on
Singh
with me because when names come surface like that from younger actors to more senior actors, is there a bigger issue here that also needs to be discussed? Divyesh, I request you to stay on. Thank you so much. Pankaj Upadhyay, I'll let him go because he needs to track about the actors who are reaching at the airport as well. These are latest visuals coming in from different locations. Now let's talk about third actor Rakul Preet Singh. She's also been named in the drug investigation. These are visuals of the Narcotics Bureau team at Rakul Preet's residence and also of some of her modelling and promotion days as well. Narco Bureau will be grilling her likely tomorrow. The Narcotics Bureau team already visited the residence because to formally serve her the summons. Because remember, she had been completely stating constantly that there is no need to come up for summons. The summons have not been sent to her. There is no receipt of it either at her Mumbai or Hyderabad houses. She, however, later did admit that she has now received the summons and then will join the investigation on Friday, which is tomorrow. Earlier sources in the Narcotics Bureau even rubbished her claims that there was no receipt sent to her, saying it's just an excuse by her to evade questioning over drug links. Narcotics Bureau will be claiming that summons was sent to Rakul Preet using various platforms. The actor was even called up, but she did not respond. But why is her name cropping up? She came under the scanner after she was named by Riya Chakrabarti, according to the Narcotics Bureau, when the statements were taken during questioning. Her name was also revealed, interestingly, by the talent manager Jaya Saha, who's already been questioned for more than 3 days. I want to go across now to our colleagues as well, but first take a look at India Today's Ashish sending us this report from the Hyderabad residence of Rakul Preet.
Behind me is the apartment where actor Rakul Preet Singh lives here in Hyderabad, and the security persons of this apartment, they claim that she is not here. Meanwhile, NCB claim that it has served summons to Rakul Preet Singh. On the very other hand, Rakul Preet Singh has denied receiving any summon. And meanwhile, earlier Rakul Preet Singh had approached Delhi High Court seeking some legal remedy. But at present, Rakul Preet Singh, she was shooting one movie here in Hyderabad, and the security persons here say that she is not currently living in this apartment.
Apart from the actors, there's also a fashion designer. Her name is Simone Khambata. She was also questioned today by the Narcotics Bureau already over the drug allegation in the film industry. Simone Khambata was questioned for about 5 hours. She has left the Narcotics Bureau office at around 2:20 p.m. One of the first to have already started to face questioning among actors and celebrities. Simone Khambata was named by, again, according to the Bureau, Riya Chakrabarti in her statement when she was questioned by the Narcotics Bureau. India Today has accessed exclusive chats. These are between Riya Chakrabarti and designer Simone Khambata, that is discussing use of banned narcotic drugs. In the chats, Riya is also seen telling the designer that she's in Bhubaneswar, goes on to say that the city offers, and I quote here, best weed ever, unquote. India Today has also managed some questions accessed on which Simone Khambata was questioned by the Narcotics Bureau. She was quizzed whether she did consume or supply drugs to somebody else. She was also questioned on her drug chats with Rhea Chakrabarti dating back to March this year, March 2020. Now, who is Simone Khambata? She's a popular fashion designer in the Hindi film industry. She's close to a lot of big wigs and big names in the industry, and one of the first known names, perhaps, from the industry to have been asked for questioning for the drug use. And for a ground report on that, India Today also decided to ask some questions directly to Simone Khambata today morning when she reached the Narcotics Bureau office. Listen into this conversation.
सिमोन, क्या कहना है? रिया चक्रवर्ती के साथ आपका काफी क्लोज संबंध थे। रिया चक्रवर्ती ऑलरेडी ड्रग कनेक्शन में अरेस्ट हुई है। क्या सिमोन तो सिमोन खंबाटा बिल्कुल कोई भी जवाब नहीं देते हुए यहाँ पर वो पहुंच चुकी है, लेकिन जिस तरीके से मीडिया यहाँ पर मौजूद है और उनसे लगातार सवाल किए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो बिल्कुल कोई जवाब नहीं दे रही है। तो अभी वो यहाँ पर बाहर मौजूद है, दोबारा वो अंदर जाएगी।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.